Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Mohammed Hassnain and welcome back to another video. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss about the digestive system, how the digestive system works and what are the organs related to it. So let's start. So the digestive system basically contains a process which is known as digestion. So digestion means that the food which we eat is converted into small particles which are then absorbed by our blood so that we can use it as energy. So this is digestion, which is in the digestive system. The organs which are included in the digestive system are the mouth, and then we have the throat, pharynx, then we have esophagus. Esophagus is basically the long food pipe through which the food passes. Then we have the stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now let's start our digestion process. So the process starts with chewing. So firstly, when we eat food, the food gets into our mouth, then through our teeth we chew the food, and then the food breaks down into pieces. The food gets into smaller pieces through our teeth, and then further the saliva which is present in our mouth mixes and it contains many enzymes which break down further the food we eat. Now the saliva has broken down the food into pieces, so now it is easy to swallow. Now it is the swallowing process. So in this, the tongue pushes the pieces down the throat, and then it passes through the throat, which is known as pharynx, and then it goes down our throat through the long pipe which is known as the food pipe, and its name is esophagus. This long food pipe leads the chunks of the food into our stomach. The stomach contains a lot of powerful acids and enzymes. It also contains many gastric juices. For example, hydrochloric acid is present in the stomach, which is known as the stomach acid. These particles are broken down so that it is easy for your body to absorb them. In the stomach, a lot of tasks are done. Using the stomach enzymes, the proteins are broken down, as well as the fats are also broken down and absorbed by the body. Proteins are broken down by special enzymes in the stomach, and the stomach also plays a vital role in killing all the bacteria and germs in the food which we eat. Now the next stage is that the stomach sends these particles to the small intestine. What does the small intestine do? So when the particles reach the small intestine, the liver releases bile and the pancreas releases many enzymes which further break down and absorb the particles. So the bile which is coming from the liver break down fats. So this is done to help digest the particles. Now the small intestine absorbs the particles and then it transfers them around the body through your blood. Some of the particles which weren't absorbed by the small intestine are then sent to the large intestine. Now in the final stages, the large intestine absorbs all the water and other nutrients from the particles, that now only waste is left. After absorbing all the nutrients out of the particles, the large intestine only contains now the waste. So the waste products or waste particles which our body doesn't need are then sent out of the body through your stool by the large intestine. Now here many people are confused and they mix the urinary system and the digestive system together, but it's not like that. The digestive system is a separate process and the urinary system is related to your kidneys, which is a separate process. The digestion process almost takes about 4 to 5 hours. This duration depends on the food we eat. If we eat a heavy meal, then it would take more time to digest, and if we eat light meals and healthy food, for example vegetables and fruits, it would take less time to digest. So basically the average of 4 to 5 hours is needed for digestion, and the particles of food stay in your stomach for 4 to 5 hours in this process. So this shows us that we need to eat healthy food so that our digestive system can work properly. So this was all about the digestion process and the digestive system. And I hope that now you might know how smooth the digestion process is and how smoothly our body turns the food we eat into the nutrients for our body and takes out the waste products. So I hope so that you find this video factual and informative. If you did so, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends so that they can also get this information, and also subscribe my channel for further interesting videos. Thanks for watching.